me. It's called My Home Tour, so we do. It gets put up on MLS and all that stuff. It's pretty fun.
I'll put it on my not so swollen foot.
That's a good idea.
So when it showed up, it doesn't look so
What a
bad.
fat tulip you got.
My fever so bad all week, eh? So bad.
Are you videoing it, Dad?
Are you ready?
I don't know. I don't know what it's gonna feel like, so I don't know if I'm ready.
Super small lines.
What kind of toxic chemicals are these?
Non-toxic.
Okay.
Well, come on. G and Lisa got tattoos.
Yeah, exactly.
Vegan, so
Yeah.
vegan friendly.
They'll probably be mad at me for not using vegan, but that's okay.
It is.
I'm not vegan. It is?
Yeah.
All of it is?
Yeah, pretty much.
Oh, okay. That's all I know. That's good to know.
How's it feel?
Weird.
It's weird.
It kind of hurts, but it's not a weird. It's like a weird. It just feels like a whole bunch of pins pricking you. Like really quick. Well, that's what it's doing, really. Right? It's not bad. I don't think I get it anywhere else, though. I feel really weird somewhere else.
Maybe I should get a salt shaker on that side and
Huh?
Dad's like, maybe I should get a salt shaker on one side of my ankle and then the light bulb on the other.
Take a picture. Okay.
Maybe about it.
No, I'm doing it.
I did
You're going to
already.
get a movie of him doing it.
Yeah, that's true.
The light on? Yeah. Blinking.
It feels weird. It's like, it hurts, but it's not like, because it stops. As soon as it stops, it's done. It doesn't keep hurting after. No, that's it.
It's the excess ink.
Oh, okay.
I've had laser hair removal
Yeah.
under my armpits, and it hurts.
Yeah.
And on my bikini line, and I'm like, oh, and it smells like burning hair. It's worse. It's way worse.
Yeah.
It's like so bad. And then they go up and up. Every time you go back, they turn the heat up and up, and it hurts more and more every time you go back. Yeah. I did like 8 sessions.
My boss in Australia had his whole back laser, like laser hair removed. And I said, yeah, it'll be great. And then, like 6 months after the last session, he got his whole back tattooed, and then all the hair grew back.
Yeah.
He's like, now he can't get done with his tattoo.
Oh man.
It didn't work for me. Yeah, because it'll take the pigment out, right? Yeah. The same laser that takes the hair out can take pigment out of tattoos. Or mole. If you go over a mole, actually get rid of the mole, and then it grows back. It's really weird. Or if you have a tan, it actually takes your tan off.
Destroying the top of your skin.
That didn't hurt there. Now maybe I'm used to it now.
I feel like I'm at the office with music.
He's working.
Huh?
He's like, he's doing a tattoo right now.
Mom would have a bear tattooed on her.
Huh?
Mom would go for a bear.
Put a whole bear.
Carrie.
Imagine.
Carrie. Fan tattoos? Huh? Carrie. Fan tattoos? Oh, Carrie. Carrie. Look.
That's more in some little spots than others.
Still in
There. Does it also like matter the direction you go to? Maybe I'll like when you go one way and use my imagination.
Yeah.
You want a coffee?
Some people think like.
I want a beer.
After 11.
I want a scotch on the rocks. Yeah. It's not that bad.
We brought our growlers.
Yeah, I did. I have to go there.
Go to the brew.
Yeah. It's been a while since I've been here, over a year.
Yeah, they're changing all the whole retail store. They're
Oh,
like
yeah?
landscaping out front, so all like nice flagstone, like rocks and
Oh,
stuff.
nice.
They want to try to make it better than I think Bose Brewing Company. They have like the nicest retail store.
Yeah,
Any
I
craft
know,
or something,
yeah.
they're trying to beat theirs.
Where is Bose again?
It's like between Ottawa and Quebec, somewhere like on the,
Yeah,
right
okay.
on the border of Quebec in Ontario. I drove past this sign I went to when I went to Quebec last year. It's like really in the middle of nowhere.
I like Granville Island beer. Granville Island. I went there when I went to visit Steve and Howie, and I bought a mini growler. I brought it with me to see if Muskoka will fill it.
Nice.
And,
It is good.
and I
Take
got
it
a
and
glass.
speed it up real
I
fast.
love their,
The movie.
their winter.
Yeah,
Yeah, everybody loves that.
It's really good.
Do you have a program on your Mac?
I just have it in the winter. But
No.
now I drink
We should
the-
get you one. You
I
can
got-
edit these
Yeah.
things
I
really
got rid of the
I have
GoPro.
this other one.
I had the GoPro program on there, but I got rid of it. I don't know how to use it. G said it's not good
Yeah,
either.
that's really good there.
He just
Yeah,
uses, I forget
think
what he
that's the
uses.
one I
Adobe Premiere?
likes it.
I don't know what he
That's
uses.
what we use.
Is that Granville Island?
Yeah.
Remember you had a bottle? It's good, eh?
Yeah, yeah.
That's a nice brewery there. And it was really nice. Really cool.
Hip hop forever. Hip hop forever.
Woo! Look at it.
It's so pretty.
You want one?
No,
So I'll get them, all sisters. I love it. Oh, except that. Can you erase it? The skin color.
Shouldn't you color the tulip a
People
little?
after you ask us
Hmm?
Huh?
Shouldn't you fill the tulip in and make it colorful? Hmm?
Simple.
What's blue, white, and red, right? So you do the color of the flag in the tulip.
Good. No.
I would get a daisy.
That one. Told you want one for your birthday.
You already gave me birthday presents.
Next year.
That's pretty cute, eh?
Oh, so cute.
It's like Howie.
I know.
It's like a mini Howie.
He's dream.
Red head, blue
Not
eyes.
all he talks about. I mentioned it a few times, eh? It's my dream to have a baby like Howie with red hair.
Who said that?
He always wanted a girl.
Yeah, I did.
Before she
I
was
always
even
wanted
born,
a girl.
he's like, I really
Yep.
hope I have
Mom
a
wanted
baby
a
girl
boy,
with
right?
red hair
Hey?
and blue
Mom always
eyes.
wanted a boy.
Yeah,
And
You say you always wanted a girl?
yeah,
Yeah, a couple.
yeah. We got a couple.
what you wish for.
A couple of couples. Couple couples.
Word.
Yeah. Girls are easier to raise than boys.
Come on, it's done, everyone. I did it. Take a picture. I love it, Alex. So what do I do now? I just
Go look
leave
in the
it?
mirror.
Like, oh, go look in the mirror.
Go take a different point of view. It's cool.
Well, how do I take care of it and stuff? Like, what do I do?
I'll send you home with a sheet.
Oh,
But
okay.
I'm gonna put a bandage on it. I'm gonna leave it on overnight tonight.
I love it. It's perfect. Perfect size, perfect everything. We did it, Alex.
We did it.
But I don't want to put a band-aid on.
Do that.
You have to.
You probably take it off in a few hours.
Yeah. Because it's just simple.
Yeah. But once you take it off, wash it with like an unscented soap, like like a bar soap. And just wash it like 3 times a day for the first 3 days.
Okay.
And then after the 3rd day, use like an unscented moisturizer. No, or Visiderm, Vaseline, hand cream. Just like the basic.
I have like that hemp moisturizer lotion. It's
Yeah,
supposed to be